Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing a new phone case for my Google Pixel 7 Pro. With a phone case, what I like is a stand. So I do like the stand when I'm at work and during lunch times I want to watch something, or even if I'm on a plane, I want to sort of stand it up. That's what I'm looking for. So with my new phone, it has wireless charging. So usually with a stand, they're mounted in the middle, which blocks wireless charging. But I found this case here. Originally, when I first purchased the Pixel 7 Pro, I couldn't find a case I liked with a stand. So I end up getting this case, just a temporary case. It's a full flip case here. You can sort of stand it up. That's always like my purpose. It does protect the front too, but it does sort of stand up. This was a really cheap temporary case. So my plan is, if this is all good, I'm going to swap this one out and I keep this case as a backup. Pixel 7 Pro Tough Armor. The brand seems to be Spigen. Let's have a look. Here it is here. So this is, the color is metal slate. Okay. Wow. Looks like it's like a yellowish foam here. It's quite a heavy duty. So yeah, it's tough armor. You can see that. It's got full covering on the buttons, so I'll be able to see how that feels. We'll do a bit of a test run. And the stand, as you can see, just here, it's sort of on the side, so the wireless charging should be in the middle. Let's see how this stand works. Looks like you pop it up. It's quite stiff in there. Clips out. My main concern is the durability of this. It is very slimline, which is nice, and that's nice. It's a nice angle. I like that. The whole case is plastic, and then it's got the rubber. Metal slate is the color of this, the grayish bluish color, but the actual material seems to be plastic on the back and then sort of rubbery on the round the phone for protection. Bit of foam on the back. Let's take this out. Here's the phone outside the case in all its glory again. Okay, nice. It's a really nice fit. So the edges do go all the way around and also slightly above the screen. So it might be hard to see here, but it does go above the screen just so little. If it drops down, face down on the screen first, it'd be a better chance for it to hit the edge of the case rather than directly on the screen, which is nice. So it makes the phone feel very durable and strong and very nice too still. This looks I like this. And then now the bump where the lenses were, there's no longer a bump now. It's more indented and protected. So now if I put my phone face down, I don't have to worry about it getting scratched. The spacing here is good for the charging port and the speakers. We'll see how the buttons go. So the buttons are good. You can hear the click, like I'm clicking, and you can see go up and down the volume. So that's nice. What about this, the power button, unlock button? That's good. Looks like I didn't click it in. Probably got to make sure I click it in properly because it is quite hard. So if I put this here, it does angle all the way like that. So you can sort of see the angle it puts it on if I put it down on that way. That's my new case. I'm quite happy with it so far. I'll see how long the stand lasts for. And on the next video, I will be unboxing a wireless charger. So we will be able to test the case on the wireless charger and see if it all works properly. That'll be good. So keep an eye out for that one, and see you later.